Yo, what's good? YouTube family, what up? I just did my first delivery, new customer, and very lovely person. She made me a latte, and I told you guys I wasn't drinking any more coffee until January. Shit, I just gotta try it because she made it and it was really nice. It was tailgate delivery. I hate tailgate delivery, but it was tailgate delivery. I did it. It is what it is. Yeah, that's nice. That latte is nice. I don't know which machine she had. It was some industrial machine. It came out nice. Thank you for that, Sim. Appreciate it. So hopefully I get some more calls from her and see how it goes. Let me turn this down. Am I shaking a lot? I feel like I'm shaking. Yeah, the camera is shaking. I don't like this position. So today doesn't seem busy. I'm gonna see what I can get into, make a few phone calls and see if there's anybody that needs help, and then we'll take it from there. But I do have a 7 o'clock pickup, which is bullshit. I gotta wait till 7 o'clock to do this pickup, and the money's not even that great. If I can pass it on to somebody else, I would, but it's my neighbor and it's right beside me, so I gotta be the one to do it. Anyways, keep you guys updated with today's runs, man. Yeah, so super dead, wasn't busy at all. I even called throughout the 2 trucker groups that I have. Everybody's dead as well. Some people are already at home from 12 noon. Some people didn't leave their house at all. So these times are coming, they're here. It's just part of it, man. Don't be alarmed. Don't think, oh my God, it's slow, I can't buy a truck, or I can't get into trucking now. No, man, it's all about connections and just keep going. You have to be able to keep going. Keep pushing through it, because there are going to be times like this, and I for one think it goes across the business, across everybody's business, because I had a clothing stores at one point, and the same thing, we had slow periods. Banks have slow periods. It's just what it is, man. Get over this hurdle and better is to come. So anyways, enough rambling. Vlogmas day 3, I believe this is. So I'm on track. I'm doing what I'm supposed to do. Feels good. So right now I'm at Henry's, and I'm gonna go inside and see if the Action 6 is in stock. Not buying it. I'm still hoping to get sponsored by you guys. DJI, send your boy the Action 6, man. Let me test it out for you guys. Even the Nano. Send me one of them. I'll send it back. Promise. So anyways, I'm gonna walk up in here. Yeah, see what they have, take you guys with me, see if there's anything interesting, because holding the phone all the time or mounting the phone is not always the best idea for me, because I do get phone calls. So if I'm recording and the phone rings, I got to stop recording, or if the map is in the background playing, or which way I need to go, stuff like that. So I definitely need an action cam. Maybe the wife and kids will buy it for me for Christmas if they're watching this vlog. Wife, kids, Action 6, DJI for your boy. You know what I mean? So anyways, I'm gonna run up in here, see if it's here, take you guys with me, and maybe I'll pull the trigger. We'll see. How's it going, bro? Not bad. Yeah, you guys got the Action 6?
Yeah, we do, yeah. I don't have it on display.
Okay, so they don't have any Action 6 in stock. Everything is in the warehouse, and it gets shipped here. Nothing's even on display. And then I started to walk around and I noticed nothing's on display. So cameras and everything, because this location gets broken into so often, they now keep things in the safe or in the warehouse, and it gets shipped here for when you buy it. Because I even drove up and I saw one of the windows boarded up. This is the 3rd time this year that this location has got broken into. You guys that are out there doing this breaking in criminal stuff, cut it out, man. It's just annoying, because us regular customers that want to buy something on the spot can't do it now. all because of the foolishness that you guys want to do, man. Crime, theft, like, it doesn't pay, man. Cut it out. Don't do shit like that. What's not yours is not yours. All right, plain and simple. So anyways, couldn't even show you guys what it is. I'm sure you guys know what it is, but I wanted to literally touch, feel, and see how it functions other than listening to everybody else on YouTube talk about it. I wanted to hold it in my hand and mess with it myself. That way I can make up my mind. I could have pulled the trigger today and bought it, or I could have at least put it on my wish list and hopefully I get it for Christmas Day. So it is what it is. Maybe I'll check somewhere else out, but for now, I do have another pickup. Someone called me and asked me to do a pickup for 6 o'clock in Scarborough. That's traffic. The amount of traffic to get to Scarborough at that time and then to come back, that's ridiculous. And they're not paying well either. So I don't know. Maybe I can push it off to tomorrow, Saturday morning when there's no traffic. I can just fly there, grab it, and bring it back. We'll see. But I really don't want to go to Scarborough in the evening. But I will keep you guys posted, probably on tomorrow's vlog. Tomorrow's Vlogmas. Anyways, like, subscribe, share, and all that bullshit. You guys, peace.